everyone, and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. So today I am going to do a viewer request recipe from my friend James, also known as Trucker James. He lives in Ohio and he asked me if I would make a baked bean dish. He says his baked beans always come out runny and he doesn't know how to make them. So I'm going to show you my maple bourbon bacon baked beans. I know that's a mouthful, but they are amazing. They're nice and thick. They have great flavor. We're gonna cook them low and slow in an oven for a couple hours and they are gonna come out amazing. So let's get cooking. The first thing that we're gonna need to do is take 8 slices of bacon and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to take 1 medium onion and finely chop it. Now we're going to put these ingredients in a cast iron Dutch oven or skillet and we're going to saute it for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 4-ounce can of diced green mild chilies. We're going to cook that for another minute. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Our barbecue sauce. After that, we are going to add a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, our maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of bourbon or whiskey, and 2 28-ounce cans of your favorite flavor of baked beans. Now I did drain a little bit of the juice out before I put them in the pan. Now just give that a good stir. Now we're going to take a 9x13 baking dish and give it a good spray with Pam. Now we're going to take our baked bean mixture and pour it in. Take the remaining bacon and lay it over the top. This is going to go in a 325-degree oven for 2 hours. Okay guys, it's been 2 hours. Follow me. Oh yeah guys, take a look at this. Look at how bubbly and brown the top is. The bacon is nice and cooked. It's nice and thick, just like Trucker James wants it to be. And now we are going to let this sit for about 15 minutes because it's like molten lava. And then we're going to scoop it up and give it a taste. Okay guys, so these beans came out just the way they should. Now if you look at them, they are not runny. They are nice and thick. See that? You got the little pieces of bacon, you have the little pieces of the diced chili, the onion, and they are so delicious. And they are sweet, but they're not too sweet. So they really are the perfect baked beans. Okay guys, I'm now gonna give it a little taste test. So good. Like I said, I taste the bacon, the onions. It's got a little tang from the mustard. Now I don't really taste the bourbon, but that's just a nice undertone that it gives it. And like I mentioned before, do not eat these right away because they're going to be so hot. So let them cool off probably for 15 minutes. And also that's going to help thicken them up even more. So Trucker James, I hope you're going to give these a try and let me know how you like them. And everyone else, I hope you give them a try too. So don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? And I'll see you on the next episode. Bye everybody.
the beans.
Oh yeah. And 2 28-ounce cans of your favorite flavor of baked beans.